How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your highlights on Instagram without deleting. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Instagram app. Then once you're on your Instagram app, go to your profile. And then here you can see I have this highlight. Now what you have to do is you have to open the highlight and then you have to tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner here, and then here you have to tap on remove from highlight and then tap on remove photo, and now the highlight is removed from here. Now to find that highlight you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner here and then tap on archive, and then from here in the top tap here and then select stories archive, and then here you will find I have removed that highlight but it is still here and it is not deleted. So this is how you can hide highlight without deleting it. Thanks for watching.